Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 8 how to make your Instagram account public from private. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on your web browser, which is Safari in this case, and the account is actually private, so we need to make this public as the world is not able to see the account. How do we know that? Go to another web browser, copy the URL, Google Chrome, paste this, enter. The account is private. Only the followers are able to see what you post. Go to the Instagram account, click on the wheel, click on privacy and security, uncheck the box that says private account, change privacy. Anyone will be able to see your photos and videos on Instagram. You will no longer need to approve followers. Okay. Settings have been saved. Go back to the Instagram profile, go to the other web browser, Command R refresh, and now the page is visible public to any person that is able to search or find the page itself. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.